This is my 2008 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon 4-door. Heater control springs back from defrost to the defrost and floor vent. When you try to turn it, it doesn't work. So for a quick fix, I found you take the dash and take the glove box out, push these in, pull the glove box out. There is a white control knob there. You can see it moves when you turn the knob, but it won't go all the way forward into the defrost. If you reach in and push on this and just push it forward, it'll go all the way into defrost, and you can at least have defrost high all the way coming up out of your vents. Hopefully that helps anybody looking for a quick fix. Have a good one.